Hello student, in this video I am going to solve question number 2nd of exercise 9.2. We have already solved question number 1 in last video. So this is question number 2nd. In this question it has been said that if two equal parts of a circle, okay, given here two equal parts of a circle intersecting within the circle, okay, two equal part of a circle intersecting within a circle, then we have to ask you prove that the segment of one part, okay, equal to corresponding segment of the other part, okay. So basically in this question it has been given that there is a circle having two equal parts intersecting to each other within the circle, and we have to ask you prove that the segment of one part are equal to the corresponding segment of other part, okay. So let us first draw the figure, okay. So given here is a circle, so make the figure of circle, and also given two equal parts, okay, intersecting within a circle, so make two chords. So this is a two part. Let's suppose this is a B and this is a CD. Okay. These two parts are equal and intersect. Let's suppose they are intersect at point P. Okay. And we have to ask you to prove the segment of one part is equal to the corresponding segment of other part. Okay. Means we have to ask you to prove the proof AP, okay, AP, this segment AP is equal to CP, okay, and this segment BP equal to CD, okay, segment BP equal to DP. This is our target, okay, to prove the segment of one part is equal to the corresponding segment of other part, okay. For proving this AP equal to CP, BP equal to DP, we have to make some construction on the figure, okay. First, draw a perpendicular from the center in both the parts, okay. This is perpendicular, let this is M and this is N, okay. And as we know that when a line passing through the center of a circle bisect the part and perpendicular to it, okay, we know. So here basically this perpendicular drawn through the center, so this means this perpendicular bisect the part and also perpendicular to each other, okay. And let the center of the circle is okay. So our target is to prove AP equal to CP and BP equal to DP, okay. For this we have to join O to P in the figure, okay. So here we have get two triangles. Now prove, first we have to prove these two triangles are congruent, okay. So check in both the triangle we have this OM equal to AM, as we know that the equal part from the equal distances from the center, okay. So means these distances and these distance are equal to each other. And second, this is 90, okay, this is 90 in both the triangle, and we have OP is common, okay. So by RHS congruency criteria, by using, so these two triangles are congruent to each other. So first write in triangle OMP, write OMP and triangle ONP we have given angle OMP equal to ONP. Okay, because each 90 degree. Okay, the reason is each 90 degree. This is given. Okay, and second, okay, in both the triangle OP is common. Okay, this is hypotenuse. So write hypotenuse OP equal to hypotenuse OP, common in both the triangle, right? This is common. And second, OM equal to OM. The reason is distance from equal part, equal distance from the center. Equal, right reason. Equal chords are equal distances from the centers. Okay, so therefore by the RHS congruency criteria, these two triangles are congruent to each other. Okay, then write triangle OMP congruence to triangle ONP by RHS congruence criteria. Okay, and as we know that when two triangles are congruent, then their rest of the parts are also equal to each other. So this means here distance PM and PN are equal to each other. Okay, distance PM equal to PN. Okay, next, this is equation number 1. Okay, and as we know that this line OM is bisect the chord AB and ON also bisect the chord CD. So we have to write here OM is perpendicular on AB. This means AM equal to BM. This is equation number 1. Second, and also write ON is perpendicular on CD. This means the distance CN equal to MD. Okay, and here given these two chords are equal to each other, so we can also write this is equation number 3 from 2 and 3. AM, this AM equal to CN. Okay, this is equation number 4, and also write ND equal to not. First write BM equal to DN. This is equation number 5. Okay, so our target is to prove AP equal to CP and BP equal to TP. Okay, so we have to add equation 1 PM equal to PM in equation number 4. Okay, so write adding equation 1 in adding equation 1 and 4. So after adding we will get here this is PM, this side is AM, and right side in equation second is PN and in core is Cn. Okay, so check here Pm and Am. Check here Pm and Am. We will get AP, and similarly on right side Pn and Cn. Pn and Cn. We will get Cp. Okay, so this is our target. The first target is to prove AP equal to Cp. So we have proved here AP equal to Cp. Okay, and similarly we have to prove Vp equal to Dp by subtracting 1 from the equation number 5. Okay, so write subtract equation 1 from equation 5. So this is Bm, from Bm write minus Pm. Okay, and Bn write minus Pn. Okay, now check from the figure. From Bm, this is Bm. Okay, from Bm we have to subtract Pm. Okay, so we will get Bp. So write here Bp, and similarly check from the figure Dn. From Dn we have to subtract Pn. We will get Dp. So Dp. Okay. So we have to prove AP equal to Cp and Vp equal to Dp. Okay, so this is complete solution of the question number 2nd. How to prove if two equal parts of a circle intersecting with an inner circle and the segment of one card equal to the other, we have to ask to prove. So this is the complete solution of this question number 2nd of exercise 9.2.